Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 4th April 2019's pre-open analysis. Today I like to start the video with a small analysis how you will be able to turn an investment of 3,50,000 to 12 crores in 10 years and 42 crores in about 20 years. So this is a very small and simple calculation. If you want to increase this for 20 years, well and good, or for 10 years, will you be able to set aside 3,50,000 rupees of investment and with no contribution, no monthly contribution at all, earn a monthly yield of 36%? And if you can earn 36% on 3,50,000 and compound it, invest all the money what you get out of 3,50,000 rupees, reinvest in the instrument, and will you be ready to make 12 crore in 10 years? Or if we calculate it for 20 years, let us see what it comes up to. It comes up to 42 crores. So 3,50,000 turned to 42 crores. So with a annual yield of 36%, if you calculate 36%, what is the monthly yield? You only need to get 3%. So 3% is what you have to get out of the annual return. So monthly return you have to get 3% only in order to make 42 crores out of 3,50,000 rupees. So what is that I am about to reveal is 3% is like very conservative, very less compared to anything in the market. So this is very easily doable with the non-directional trading. So non-directional trading is a trading method which I will be teaching in Saturday and Sunday session. So you can refer to non-directional trading strategies link, which is available on the first link in the description below. I will be teaching you 5 strategies, not one, not two, 5 strategies which makes you money every month. We can make about 3% to 15% returns consistently every month with very less amount of risk and just trading 15 minutes per day. That is what is possible, and I have been making this and I have been trading with these techniques for last 2 years now. So you can click on enroll in non-directional workshop now, and you will be able to secure 42 crore of corpus in 20 years by just setting aside 3,50,000 rupees. You have to trade for 10 to 15 minutes per day, and you have to adjust your trade. Sometimes you have to trade in some instrument which I will be teaching. So you will be able to make this much amount of money over 20 years if you set aside this 3,50,000 rupees. So that is what is the investment required from your side to earn 3 to 15% regular income in the market. What I'll be teaching over here is all about hedging, all about options hedging, and I will be teaching you 5 strategies which makes us money in any kind of market. It is not just one kind of market, any kind of market with 97% accuracy. So if you have to trade in any instrument, 97% accuracy is unheard of, but I have been doing it with 97% accuracy, and you can do it as well. So that is what I'll be teaching in 91 Springboards Residency Road on Saturday and Sunday. Click on enroll now in button over here, and you will be able to enroll in this non-directional trading strategy workshop. That being said, let us see what Indian markets has to offer. And SGX Nifty is actually showing a 25 points up move, and US markets are showing 39 points up on Dow Jones, 46 points up on Nasdaq, and 6 points up on S&P yesterday. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green in today's session. Indian markets fell all the way to the bottom yesterday from the level of 11,760, which is very well known because 11,760 is a strong resistance for the market, where the market is at the all-time high. The 11,760 is an all-time high which the market has heard, which the market has hit, which the market has scaled up to. So the market will show some resistance at this particular level, which is very well known of. If the market can cross this 11,760, there is no other level where the market can be charted. It can go up to 12,000, 12,500, or even 13,000 itself. We don't know how far it will be able to go. However, with the projections, I have projected that the market will go up to 12,300 level if the market can scale this 11,760 level. So that is a magic number which very well known for all my students how to do the projections. So that being said, let us see what Indian markets has to offer in supports and resistances. Resistance, of course, is 11,700, 11,760 are the only resistances we had to watch out for now. But supports, there are ample amount of supports we have to watch out for, because the market may tend to come down to the 11,550 level in order to move upwards, or even 11,500. So 11,620 and 11,566 and 11,538 and 11,548 of course is a very strong resistance support for the market. 11,500 are the supports we have to watch out for in today's session. MACD is showing that we are in a greatly momentum filled market, and fast stochastic and slow stochastic both are denoting that we are coming down from the overbought zone. Fast stochastic is at the level of 73 and slow stochastic is at the level of 85. So overbought zone is somewhat wailed off in yesterday's session. The market fell all the way from 11,760 and closed at the level of 11,629 level. Around 11,650 is where we closed. We came down to 11,629 and then went up all the way to 11,644 levels and closed over there. So that is the technical analysis knowledge for today, guys. If you want to make 3% and more per month and make about 42 crores in 20 years by setting aside 3,50,000 rupees, click on the first link in the description below. I only have 30 seats to fill for this week. So I will be teaching you 5 strategies which makes you money every month. This is unheard of, but you will surely be able to make the money. The fees itself is structured in such a way that you can make that fees back in your first trade itself. That being said, if you like the video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.